Yep. The compressor, the equipment started to freeze up because it was overcharged. I think. Yeah. Damn. It started frozen. It started to freeze up. I think it was been running for like, I think like 7 hours to 8 hours. I don't know. Actually, I think it was 2 days ago. Since it was, since it's been running. But it still blows warm air, and yeah. Or let me check from inside because I think the coils are freeze up too, just like the equipment is freeze up too. So yeah. Oh wow. Not out of much air coming on because the coils is gonna freeze up. Wow, that's not good, guys. It's on 64. Yeah, no wonder why the compressor of the accumulator is freeze up. And besides the February too. Yeah, so I don't know how much longer if the compressor will stop running because it's getting, it starts to frozen up even more. So yeah, I'm not sure if the compressor will start. But last year the compressor did stop running because the inside of the coils it was super cold. So yeah. Yeah, that's too cold. And I can feel the vibration from the compressor. Yeah, I can say I can feel it smooth. Yeah, it's vibrating a little bit from. Yeah. Yeah, it's starting to freeze up even more. Yeah, I don't know how it's doing that. But So I think like in 2020 that it was installed. Um, it never used to freeze up because it was installed. It was installed like someone was living here. Yeah, it never used to do that. It did. That's crazy, guys. That's not good. This is not how it's supposed to happen. But alright, see this, guys? The accumulator is starting to freeze up even more. Yeah, that's not good. Hold on. Alright, now I'm here. I used a chair to get here to see the accumulator of the compressor. And yeah, you can see, as you can see, the suction line in the accumulator is freeze up. Damn, I don't know how this happened. But like I said, it never used to do that, and now it did. In 2024 or 2025, I think, it used to do that. It used to do that the first time, and now it does that again. It's supposed to be pretty warm air, though. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, I wonder if the compressor will stop running now because it started to freeze up even more, and yeah. But like I said, it was overcharged, so yeah. Oh. Yeah, that's not good. Yeah. This is crazy, guys. Yeah, I can say it again. This is crazy. Like, bro, I don't know. How did this even happen? Like, how's it doing that? Every air conditioner that doesn't do that. I mean, sometimes it did. I think, yeah. Oh wait, it's not warm. It's not warm enough because the accumulator of the compressor. And the compressor is still running. I can hear it. I think you guys can hear it too, but yeah, the compressor is getting quiet because the ice, yeah. Oh, not stop running. It stopped running. Oh yeah, the compressor's off now. Finally stopped running. Oh, and you can see the ice is starting to melt because yeah, it's starting to get warm now. Since outside is getting hot, it's summer, so yeah. Yep, it's melting. Yep, the compressor's off now. Oh wow. Yeah. It's crazy, man. You can see the water in the coil from the ice. Now I can feel the air coming out of it now. Yeah. And just turned off now. The fan just turned off. Yeah. Okay. So, I think it will come back on later, and the fan will turn off first, and then the compressor. Yeah. Okay. Oh wait, and the filter is dirty too. Yeah, so dirty. Oh, the temperature is going down. 62, 61. Oh wow. 60. Oh. Yeah, I never see the temperature go down to 50 or 40. Yeah. And about the fan, it is dirty too. There's dust and stuff in here. Yeah, so old and dirty. This air conditioner was like 8 years old now. It is from 2018. Or you can see the logo because the paint. Still going. I think it go to 40 degrees right now. It's still going down since it was cold on the coils. 15. Oh, there you go, 49. Yeah. Yeah, this air conditioner was overcharged, and now the accumulator from the compressor started to freeze up, and the coils too. Yeah, I don't know how's it doing that. And like I said, this is not supposed to happen. Well, I guess I can go now since the air conditioners are off. So yeah, that's about this for this video. Now I'll pick us like this air conditioner video that I posted. So yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, I'm gonna. Alright, have a good summer, everybody. Alright, bye.